Without fail, one of the top mistakes people make when creating YouTube videos is they go too broad and try to compete with TED Talks. For example, they'll choose a topic like how to reduce stress, and you guessed it, the first result is a TED Talk. Now, the problem is that if you're a small or smallish channel or even a newish channel, you cannot compete with big channels like that. So you really need to choose topics that are going to help you to rank. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my niche down to rank strategy that's going to get you in front of the very people you need to be in front of. So are you ready? Hey go-getter, it's Salma Jafri. I am the founder of YouTube Launchpad, the foundational course for growing your personal brand with video. If you want to grow your YouTube channel and get visibility, credibility, and profitability with it, then this is the channel to subscribe, to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. Now, there are two main problems that people have and two main mistakes that they make when they are choosing topics. The first one is that they go too broad. So let me give you some examples. The first one was how to reduce stress. Way too broad a topic. You're going to be competing with really big channels. Another example would be titling a video called How to Meditate, right? Or How to Find a Job. Too broad. The other problem is that you create a video that only you really are interested in, or maybe your mom, maybe your dog would watch. What's an example of that? A day in my life. My morning routine, what I ate for breakfast today. Nobody cares. The harsh reality is nobody cares yet. So I want you to rethink your content strategy and not title your videos to be too broad, too generic, or just something that is too personal just yet. Okay? Instead, what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to niche down your topics so that you can rank. Now, this is my niche down to rank strategy that I share in my YouTube intensive coaching program with my coaching clients. It contains 4 parts, 4 steps that I'm going to walk you through to niche down. So the first thing to do is to choose your industry specific niche. So what is the industry that you want to be in and what kind of content do you want to be creating? So let's use the example of the meditation niche. So in this example, what you want to do is use Google Trends to find out if your niche is growing or not. You can watch these videos that I'll link to up here on how to find out if you have a niche that is going to be profitable in the long run. The second step is to choose a playlist. Now, playlists are like themes or like series under your industry niche. So if we're going with the meditation example, the playlist themes could be how to reduce stress, how to relax, how to practice mindfulness, how to live a simpler life, how to declutter. Those could all be themes in your YouTube channel. So when you're thinking of themes, you can typically think of multiple videos that you can make within those themes. So how to reduce stress could have multiple videos underneath it, and how to simplify your life could have lots and lots of videos underneath it. So themes are categories of videos that you could make under your broader industry niche. The next step in niching down is to go topic specific. So now that you have your playlist, you want to think of what techniques, what tips, what methods, what strategies can you talk about for that particular theme. So let's say we're talking about meditation. So one topic could be breathing exercises. Breathing exercises help you meditate and help you relax. So when you're thinking about topics, you're thinking about something very specific that you can do. So this is the how part of your video strategy. Each technique, tip, or method becomes one singular YouTube video. That's how I want you to think about it. So for example, your video could be about a specific kind of breathing technique that will help people to meditate and reduce stress. The final step in niching down is asking yourself, can I rank for this topic? So this step is important because not every topic will rank for your particular channel. So if I start doing meditation videos on my YouTube education channel, it's going to confuse the algorithm, confuse my audience, and I'm probably not going to get a lot of views on that video. So you need to choose topics that are obviously aligned with your niche. So when you've chosen your specific topic, you want to go to YouTube, you want to go to TubeBuddy, and you want to type that in and see what what is the competition like, and can you actually rank for that particular term? So in this example, I went to TubeBuddy and I typed in a breathing technique, and some of the examples came up, and this looks like a promising video title: How to Perform the 4-7-8 Breathing Technique. And this other one looks even more promising. It's called the 4-7-8 Breathing Method Guided Meditation, because there's even less competition for it than the first one. So that is how you choose a topic and then create a title around it that you can actually rank for. Now, I do teach this ranking strategy, niche down to rank more, inside my YouTube Launchpad course. If you are interested in ranking your videos faster and using this strategy to rank every single one of your YouTube videos, then I highly suggest you go and check it out. I'll drop the link in the description. It's salmajafri.com/launchpad. Now, tell me in the comments below, which of these niching steps are you not doing? Tell me below. And then go and watch this playlist next for figuring out how to find your niche and what are the most profitable niches on YouTube.